Hey, I figured I'd just jump on really quick. We won't be very long. I'm finishing up my autism awareness wreath. So I've got this done. You've got your green and your yellow, your orange, and your blue. Once you're finished with them, a lot of times you can lay them and flatten them out so that the petals do what you want. This is that poly burlap mesh, so it is a little bit, as you're working with it, it frays, but you just don't pull on it. You just snip them off, and once you stop messing with it, it stops unraveling. But I did heat seal it, but yeah. So I had to run to Charleston, grab a few things, and take my mom somewhere. So I went ahead and got my mesh that I needed, even though I was waiting on the shipment. So, but anyways, here's this. I'm finishing it up by adding some red, the poly burlap mesh. It's the D. Michael fold. But I wanted to show you I don't know what I did with it. So anyways, so I'm going to finish up this. I've got a wreath in the back. I did that, and I'm not really happy with the green in the middle, so I may redo that. But over here is my angel wreath that I done. She turned out really pretty. And there's my gnome obsession in the back, and my mesh obsession and ribbon. But anyways, so I wanted to show y'all. I was going to finish up this wreath really quick, and so I'm going to bring you down. Also, if you order a Unique in the Creek board, they have the boards. Let me show you. This is a character board from Unique in the Creek. So anyways, if you use these boards, I have an affiliate link on my Sincere Creations page on Facebook. And I think you get 5% off your board order is what it is. I'm also trying to get an affiliate link on Amazon. So to do my favorite tools, that way if you go on there and you purchase tools, it will give you a discount. Let me see. I'm trying to get this brought up on my Facebook. It's not working, but anyways. So, but these are Unique in the Creek boards. Nope, that's not what I was looking for. What is it doing? Oh, okay. But anyways, so if you go in for that and you do the Unique in the Creek to buy your boards, they're really good. And they have like they're numbered, and so they have the Unique in the Creek emblem. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's Unique in the Creek, which means they're authentic. I showed you guys before the Dollar Tree ones that I had. They're nowhere near as thick and as pliable as these are. These are really good boards. So Unique in the Creek, they also have mesh and just about anything you can think of. But there's this. Also want everybody to know that I'm doing orders for Memorial Day for the saddlebags and for the vases, like the sets for the vases. Also, the crosses. I think the crosses are all at my shop, but there's crosses, and if you do it without the stand, it's $40. With the stand, it's $45. The saddlebags are $60. And you can do any kind of theme. I did one the other day for a lady, and she wanted it incorporated in butterflies. So we did that theme. So anything that you guys, a theme that you would like, I'm more than happy. Just shoot me a message. Also, if you wouldn't mind to share and like my page. And also the website my mom has up, which is sincerecreation.com. And I have Facebook too. So, but anyway, so I'm going to finish this wreath really quick. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing 4th of July stuff now. I've got what's left of my Easter is in the shop. But if there is anything, something that you want, I do ship. It's a $20 flat rate shipping. So as long as, you know, as long as I can fit it in that box, it's $20. I just shipped 2 wreaths to Florida the other day, so I can ship them. So it's coming along. It's a slow process, but it's pretty awesome to have my own business, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. But I'm going to be working on Memorial Day saddlebags, and like I said, the vases. Also, I can do the crosses, and I can do them in this, which is, or I can weather treat them, we can do that however you want me to do it. I can put it on a stand to where, and I kind of like make sure that it's tied onto the stand. That way you can take it to your loved one's grave and, you know, just put the stand, because it's a little metal stand. You just push it down into the ground. But anyways, I'm loving my autism wreath. I have a few friends that have autistic kids. I have a stepsister that has an autistic daughter. So, you know, I really wanted to do the autism awareness. But I'm finishing this up. I was missing the red. So I've got to add the red to the middle. But I kind of wanted to give you an update. I haven't been on here for a few days. Had some family issues. My daughter wrecked. I mean, we've just had a crazy week this week, and it's Wednesday. So, but still, as far as I know, Friday, we're going to still be opening the shop. Like I said, JT got the Danville Lumber Store, and he's got furniture. I think there's antique and new furniture. There's several other ladies that are upstairs where I'm at. I think there's like 7 or 8 people, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think there's like 7 or 8 people on upstairs with us. And I mean, there's like furniture. There's, well, of course, my wreaths. My mom has made some doilies. Hold on a second. Let me show. This is something that my mom made. It is absolutely, I can't get it all on camera, but it is absolutely gorgeous. She worked really long and hard on this after she conned me out of my yarn, but it's absolutely beautiful. We will have these tablecloths. We will have we have, I've got some baby blankets coming, handmade crocheted baby blankets, several different things. So I've got my wreaths and, you know, like my graveside flowers. So, you know, I will keep you updated as we get closer to Friday and opening. But anyways, I'm going to get back to making my wreath. I just want to stop on here and say, hey, I haven't went anywhere. I've just had a crazy week. But I will try to go on this evening live, and I'm wanting to work on a red, white, and blue. It's a flower wreath. And so I've also got an order for a cross wreath, like a Harley Davidson theme cross wreath. So I'm going to try to get to that. But anyways, you know, I will let y'all know for sure, but I'm pretty sure Friday the shop's supposed to be opening. There's going to be several things in there, and there's new things coming. I think he said something about maybe trying to get a snack bar open in there. So I'm really hoping all this works out. I'm loving having all this free time, and I can craft what I really love to do. I get to go on vacation, and in June I'm going to Florida. I'm so excited. But anyway, so you guys have a great day. God bless you. If you have anything, just shoot me a message. And have a great day. God bless you. Bye.